On a gorgeous day like this, you probably want to go outside and grill as badly as I do. And regardless of what you're going to cook or the type of grill you're using, there are a couple of tools and techniques that you can have on hand to set yourself up for grilling success. Now, a gas grill is undeniably convenient, and I use mine all the time, but to be honest, I still prefer the flavor and aroma of food cooked over charcoal. And in that case, you're going to have to light your charcoal. We don't like using lighter fluid because we think it gives the food sort of an off flavor. We prefer to use a chimney starter, and the chimney starter we prefer to use is the $15 Weber Rapid Fire. It's super simple to use. There's a little chamber in the bottom where you put a few sheets of crumpled up paper. You don't need much more than 2 or 3 sheets. You put that down in the grill, load the top chamber with charcoal, light that paper through one of these slits in the bottom. That will in turn light the charcoal, and 20 minutes later you'll have beautiful glowing coals, which you then have to pour out of the chimney starter into your grill. And that's one of the reasons we love this chimney starter. Look at this big beefy handle. It's easy to pick up, and there's a helper handle, so it's super easy to pour out the coals and aim them precisely. In my ever humble opinion, it is imperative to start with a hot, clean grill grate to hedge against any sticking. So you put the grate in place, you heat it up, and then you have to scrape it clean, and you're gonna need a grill brush for that. Our favorite model is this one. This is the Weber 12-inch grill brush. It's $8, and it's super easy to use. It's got this triangular head, and you take the wide end, and it covers a lot of territory on your grill grate. And then you can take the little edge of the triangle and put it in between the tines on the grill grate. This brush has wire bristles, and some people prefer to avoid those. So another great choice is this one. This is the Kona Safe Clean Bristle-Free Grill Brush. It's about $20, and instead of wires, it's got stainless steel coils as the brushing part. The next step is to oil the grill grate. And again, no matter what you're cooking, this is a good idea. You're gonna need a wad of paper towels, and our favorite is Bounty. You wad them up, you dip them into a little bit of neutral oil, and then you grab them with tongs and rub the oiled paper towel across the grate like that. These are our favorite tongs for grilling. They're the OXO Good Grip 16-inch locking tongs. They're about $15. They have a great degree of tension, and the business end, called the pincers, is precise enough to pick up a toothpick, hefty enough to pick up a big slab of ribs. I also use a lot of rimmed baking sheets when I grill. These are great for carrying raw food out to the grill, and you can use a clean one to bring the cooked food back in. This is our favorite one. It is the Nordic Ware Baker's Half Sheet. It's made of aluminum. It's about $15. I have 5 or 6 of these. I use them all the time. So here you have it, a few of our favorite tools for grilling.
Thanks for watching America's Test Kitchen. What'd you think?
Well, leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or you can just say hello.
You can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
I'll see you later.